Unraveling the comfort in "get cozy," an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a warm and comfortable English phrase, "get cozy." This expression is more than just words. It's about a feeling, an atmosphere. So, if you're ready to understand this snug little phrase, let's get started. Remember, understanding the context and usage of phrases like this is key to mastering English. Get cozy is a phrase that's rich in imagery and feelings. At its core, cozy refers to a state of being comfortable, warm, and relaxed. When someone says, "get cozy," they're essentially inviting you to relax and make yourself comfortable in a warm and snug environment. Imagine sitting by a fireplace with a warm blanket in winter. That's cozy. This phrase is often used in casual, friendly settings. For instance, inviting someone to your home. "Come in and get cozy. I'll make some hot chocolate." Relaxing at home. "It's a cold day. Let's get cozy on the sofa and watch a movie." At a cafe or a casual gathering, find a spot and get cozy. "We'll be here for a while." Notice the underlying theme? It's all about creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. English is full of variations and synonyms. Similar phrases include, "make yourself at home." This has a broader meaning but also implies comfort. "Snuggle up." This is more intimate, often used in family or romantic contexts. "Settle in." This suggests making yourself comfortable over a longer period. Understanding these variations helps you choose the right phrase for the right situation. Get cozy also reflects a cultural element, especially in places with colder climates. It's tied to the idea of creating a warm, inviting space in the midst of cold weather. This concept is similar to the Danish hygge, a quality of coziness that brings a feeling of contentment. So, when you say, "get cozy," you're tapping into a deep-rooted cultural desire for warmth and comfort. That's a wrap on Get Cozy. We hope this video helps you understand not just the words, but the warm, inviting feeling behind them. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about culture and emotion. So next time you invite someone to get cozy, you're offering them more than just comfort. You're sharing an experience. Stay tuned for more insightful English language videos, and don't forget to get cozy with your English learning journey.